Lammy would like to welcome you to the vlog. Hi, Lamb. She said, it's Wednesday, guys. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, we love you. Thank you. We're glad you're here. She just had a very vigorous bath over here. This is the petting, the adoring, the viewing platform we call it, but it seems like it's also the bath platform. So she put on quite a show for us because I was talking to my husband on Snapchat while she was doing that. Whenever she hears his voice on the phone, she comes running. She loves her dad. So, and this is his chair, which makes sense because she loves to sit here when he's home. She's probably like, get out of his chair already.
Yeah. It's not yours.
Oh, look at who showed up. How's it going?
Just working on Big Brother.
Yeah. I was watching last night while I was crocheting. And I have to say, I am full to the brim of man tears. All the men this season, they're full of tears, Lammy. They can't stop crying. They were crying when they came in and they're still crying. Yes. But that's another story. So today, I went shopping alone. Oh, Bubby said welcome everyone too. He doesn't want to be left out.
Bobby.
He's sitting here like he's going to get something, but he already had his toothbrush for the day. Let me turn on the light. There we go. I went alone today because Maddie's busy working and Kristen's working, so I went all by myself and I did something a little bit different. I didn't go to Sam's Club. I didn't go to Target. I treated myself to a trip to TJ Maxx. I didn't buy too much though. Then after TJ's, I went to Michael's, which we're not going to show you. Because that's for the, I will show you one thing that I got though, that I thought was so freaking cute. Alright, I'll show you two things. First of all, we got this bag. Michael's is my happy place.
Yeah.
I love that. I'll get another one next time, so we can each have one. Yeah, the snap on the top is a lot of fun, which I cannot open with one hand. I don't know how much I would snap it though, because I wouldn't want it to get messed up. That kind of defeats the purpose, I guess. Alright, so I got two fun things other than yarn in the bag. I got these doggy stickers for my water cup. These are cold transfer stickers, so you could stick them on stuff and like I guess they're like washable or whatever. If I knew they were only $2, I would have gotten a different one too. They had some other dog ones, and they also had a whole pack of mushrooms, which was a lot of fun. But maybe next time, if I go on Saturday, maybe I'll get some more. And I got this cute little dog in a Halloween costume. So cute!
Let's see it. Oh, I love that one!
Have you seen this one before?
Yes.
We need to put this on our ottoman over here so we can enjoy it.
I have to tell you a story.
Oh?
So, when I saw that Michael's came out with their Halloween stuff
Yeah.
a while back, it was a while ago.
Would you take a picture and you saved it and that you wanted that one?
Well, I was looking at it and I was looking at it on the website, and I guess I looked at it a few times, and now when I start typing Michael's into my search bar, this is what comes up.
Oh my god, that's hilarious. I had
It's
no
so
idea.
cute. Yeah, it's really, really cute.
Yeah, I love it. So we'll put him over here, because that reminds me of our dog Flash.
Yeah.
If you've been watching the vlogs for a long time, our beloved Flash was a flat-coated retriever mix, and he was also a singer. He loved to howl.
Yes.
And that made us so freaking happy, because I love a dog that howls. Because I feel like they're singing with me. Our first dog was a howler for ambulances. Because Sean had an ambulance that made like a siren noise, and whenever he played with that, Pee-wee would howl. So I taught him to howl on command because of the toy, you know, Pavlov. So I just love a dog that howls because I'm always reminded of my very first puppy, who was the most special. Because your first is your first. And that's all I'm going to say about that. All right, so at TJ Maxx today, oh, and I went to Aldi and ShopRite. But at TJ Maxx today, Maddie requested drying mats because hers are no good anymore. So we got this Martha Stewart drying mat with the black cats on it. Do you love it? These are a lot of fun. Love those. And also, I got a new leash for Bubby. Oops, I'm drooling. Bubby, look, a new leash for you not to bite through.
Bubby, you got a new leash.
He gets so excited when I put him on the leash and take him out that he just scissors through the leash. And Mark bought some nylon cord that I was gonna weave into a leash for him, and I never got around to it, so he's gonna have to go to the vet soon, and we don't have a leash because he's eaten through all of them. And my can opener broke last weekend, so I treated myself to a new OXO can opener, and I prefer the ones that open the top. You put them on like this, and they go around so that they don't have any sharp edges. So I splurged $15 for this one. The other crappy can openers that open from the side were only like $7. But I wanted the one from the top because I'll never forget. There was a joke video about HSN back in the day where some guy, well, I guess this actually happened. He called in and said, "Oh, I love that can opener," because they were selling electric can openers that don't make sharp edges. He said, "If there's any mouse poop on the top of the can, it won't fall in." And I've always remembered that. It's just the little things in life, you know? Just the little things. All right, that's it for TJ's. Now, let's talk about Aldi. So Aldi, I really didn't do too much damage there. I got some green onions, some fake cheese, some refried beans, a little cake pan, some salsa, 'cause tonight's Mexican night. They had the loofahs 3 for $3.99, so I got a pack of those because you always need those. And replenish my tofu situation because we do eat a lot of tofu. That's our main source of protein. All right. Then I went to ShopRite. And ShopRite was chef's kiss today. I did get another Italian flour because I only got 3 last week, and I don't like not having extra in case I need to bake something. I went down the protein aisle and they had this PB2 chocolate chip cookie mix. It's vegan and gluten-free, and it was marked down to like $3.49. So that's nice. You could do like a mug cake with that, or you could just do some actual chocolate chip cookies. And I'm gluten-free, so works for me. Oh, I forgot to tell you too, I got this giant bag of frozen veg at Aldi. And of course, crinkle cut french fries. So then, the rest of the stuff, so heavy, was from ShopRite. Yeah, they had the Daring breaded, which is also gluten-free and vegan, for $4.99. They had that at my ShopRite that I usually go to on Saturday, but not the breaded. And I was happy to see that it was still on sale, so I got 5 packages because Maddie's going to take some of them too. I got your baking butter, and I got butter for me, organic cold pressed plant butter, and I got 2 Ripple, which are on sale this week for $4 and change, so Mark will be happy about that. Not every store carries that Ripple, which is a real shame because it's my absolute favorite milk. And I did get you food coloring, but I think I already put it in the bag. All right, so that is everything that I got today. If you could hear, my stomach is eating itself right now. I need a snack before I go pick up Sean. And I got to put the frozen food away, but pretty good shopping trip today. Even though I really didn't get a lot, I'm really focusing more on getting a little. Because the pantry is full right now, and I want to concentrate on eating the foods in my pantry and just getting the refrigerated stuff and the stuff that goes bad quickly so that it's not as much. Oh, hi.
Hello.
It is Thursday evening.
It is. It's eviction night, baby.
You just finished your stream.
Yes. I finally get to crochet. I'm going to go in the pool in a little bit.
Oh, nice for you.
Yeah.
I've had a day today. I'm trying to get stuff done. I just paid an obscene electric bill.
Oh my god, I was shook when you said how much it was.
Our electric, I don't even know if I should tell you this, but it was over 4.
It was obscene.
It was horrendous. But anyway, it is hotter than it was last year, and
I think the rates have gone up too.
they probably have. You're lucky you don't have to pay separate.
I pay some utilities, but we don't pay our full electric.
Right. So, yeah. It's been a draining day today for... Oh, look at you getting ready to go in that pool.
Yeah, pool.
I'm going to do some cleaning, mowing stuff first.
You got that block rocker?
What's your
Maybe.
estimate
Are you
for
party rocking?
swimming?
Huh?
What time do you think you'll be swimming?
Probably half hour, 40 minutes.
I'll plan for that then. It's always fun to go in the pool with someone else.
Yeah.
Party rockers.
Yeah.
So, I am not going in the pool. I have to make dinner. I'm making pizza tonight.
Yum, yum, yum.
It's like I said, it's been a lot today. Kristen's got a sick cat, and
Everybody could send some good
if
vibes
you
our
could
way.
send some good vibes for sweet Homer. I believe he's going to be turning 19 years old next month. He's a sweet boy.
Yeah, he's having a hard time right now.
Yeah, he's having a hard time. We're going to take him for some blood work tomorrow. And hopefully we just need to adjust his medication a little bit. But yeah, that's... When pets don't feel good, no one feels good.
Yeah.
So I don't know if we're going to the movies tomorrow or not.
Yeah, we're gonna play it by ear.
Oh, somebody wore their Bowie shirt today.
I did.
I put mine in the wash. I
Oh,
guess
yeah.
you didn't wash yours.
No. I usually will wear clothes once before I wash them, except for like
Underwear?
and stuff.
Yeah.
Or bathing suit, but
Right.
other stuff I'll wear it because I don't know. It always fits the best before you wash it, and then
And then it never fits again.
sometimes no, most of the time it does. But you know, actually this one is probably gonna shrink because I'm sure this is cotton.
I don't
but,
know. It's a blend, I'm pretty sure.
Well, we'll see. But I do like it as is.
Yeah.
I'll never wash it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna wash it.
Did I show? Yeah, I did show this in the video yesterday because,
Yeah, doggy.
yeah, I'm having fun with that because it's my old dog Flash. That is who I'm reminded of, and I miss him dearly. We all do.
Yes, we do.
So we got some birthday shout outs.
Ooh, who you with?
Sorry, I'm very low key today because it's like
It's hard to like.
spiritually, mentally, physically, emotionally draining. So,
I really had to grab the baseball bat to do the Big Brother stream,
yeah, I know.
but
I know.
I
You're a professional.
try.
Well, you are. So, if you watched the last vlog, you'll know that today is Caleb from the Tea of Texas's birthday.
Caleb, happy birthday.
So Caleb, you get an additional happy birthday shout out for today. And then there's only one other birthday shout out.
Who are you with?
It's a vlog angel.
Oh.
And that is Bonnie Perkins.
Bonnie, happy birthday.
Bonnie, I hope you are having a wonderful birthday on Saturday. Sorry.
Happy birthday.
That was like a nail that was just driven through my head at that point. It was just like,
oh my God.
Am I okay?
Are you?
I think it's my sinuses.
Oh, okay.
Because we've been sitting in this air conditioner today, and I feel like it's a little moldy or dusty or something, and it's like starting to get to my sinuses.
Yeah.
So there's that too.
What a
Shawnee,
mess.
what are you looking at today? Those look like fun. Oh, he closed the page because he doesn't want
Not for
Mother
you.
looking. Mother doesn't need to know.
No.
Alright, well, I hope you both are living your best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Absolutely.
And hopefully we will get to see Freakier Friday tomorrow, and if we don't, it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
But if we do, it would be nice to get out of the house. I gotta buy gas.
I think I gotta get gas soon too.
Yeah.
I'm down to like quarter tank.
Oh my. I think I am about just at above a quarter. But if we go, and then I go to the vet tomorrow too, I'm not gonna have enough.
That's true.
So I might have to stop and get some gas tomorrow. And
I'm sure this is not interesting for you guys.
I mean, it's life.
Yeah.
But that's that. Comfy pillow.
Yeah, comfy pillow.
Who do you want to see you go tonight on Big Brother?
Zach.
Alright, well, I would like to see Vinny go. And I don't think it's going to happen, unfortunately. So, unless a miracle happens.
There's a chance for Zach to go.
A Punani
but Vince
miracle.
is probably not going.
Yeah.
So we'll see. We'll see how
Yeah.
it plays out.
And that's all, folks. Bleh, bleh, bleh. I feel like Porky Pig at the end of the video now.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We will see you tomorrow for a crochet video. And then Maddie will have another stream tomorrow if you guys are into Big Brother, if you watch that on the Mad Rose D channel. So, I'm just rambling at this point. Just put me out of my misery.
Yeah, I think you gotta go.
Alright. Take it away.
Thanks everybody so much for watching, and have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time. So until then, much love.
Bye, everybody.